Hello everyone, welcome back to SoftRevz. Have you ever wondered how people make those science kids stories or even bedtime stories without ever showing their face? Or maybe you've seen creative faceless videos and thought, can I make one too? Well, in today's video, I'll show you exactly how you can create all of that with just a few clicks using an amazing tool called Mootion.com. Once you click the link in the description and create your account, you'll see a dashboard like this. At the top, there's a taskbar where you can enter your prompts, and just below, you'll also notice quick options for general creation, recording to video, faceless videos, short videos, history for kids, science for kids, bedtime stories, famous stories, and more. We'll try a few of these step by step. I'll click on History for Kids, and here it asks me to enter a prompt. After that, I can set the other options. Output language. Choose from English, Japanese, Korean, and many more. Aspect. Ratio. I'll select the YouTube size. Video style. You can choose photographic, photorealistic, picture book, 3D cartoon, cinematic, and more. Once everything is ready, I'll hit the Generate button. The tool will then create a storyboard, showing you each scene with its picture and dialogue. So, if you want, you can even add animations to your pictures. You can also add an optional prompt if you want to guide the animation. Now you can see the animation has been added to our video. If I want animations in all scenes, I'll just hit the Animate All button. This will take a few minutes, so be patient. Once the processing is finished, you'll be able to review all your animated clips. After that, click Next and adjust the final settings. Here, you can customize the title, subtitles, thumbnail, scene effects, transitions, voiceovers, and more.
Life is like a box of chocolate. You never know what you're going to get.
The only true wisdom is in knowing you know.
Hello and welcome to BBC News.
You can even add background music if you like. When everything looks good, just click the Composite button. Mootion.com will start generating your full video with all your chosen settings. Once it's done, you can play and preview it.
Long ago, the Roman Empire was one of the biggest and most powerful empires in the world. But, like a giant sandcastle at the beach, it eventually crumbled and fell apart. Many things happened over time that caused the Roman Empire to fall. First, let's think about how big the Roman Empire was. It stretched all the way from Britain in the west to Egypt.
Now let's try creating another story. This time I'll make a faceless video. I'll enter a creative prompt, then select the language, avatar, aspect ratio, and visual style. After that, I'll hit Generate, and the tool will create a storyboard for me. Once the storyboard is ready, I'll again turn the images into animated scenes by clicking the Animate All button. Wait a few minutes for the processing to finish, then adjust the same settings like titles, subtitles, transitions, effects, voiceovers, and add some background music. Finally, I'll click Composite, and after a short wait, the faceless video will be ready. And there you have it.
John always believed in hard work. He started with a small bakery. Life wasn't easy with rising debts. John stayed committed despite challenges. One day, he tried a new recipe. Customers loved the new bread immediately. He ran out of stocks by afternoon.
You can now download the video and use it right away. With Mootion.com, it's super easy to create faceless storytelling videos. Whether it's bedtime stories, science kids stories, or any other type of content, you can upload them on your channel and start growing your audience today. The link to try Mootion.com is in the description below. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.